Brightspace gives professors the ability to change the navigation menu at the top of their course. A professor might want to add a link to a Zoom meeting that they use every week for class, or to a piece of content within the course, such as a syllabus that they know students will need to access often. The way we change this navigation menu, or navbar, is by clicking this Course Admin. This will bring you to a page with all the tools you have available to you as a professor, and the tool we are looking for today is Navigation and Themes. Click on Navigation and Themes. This will bring you to a list of all of the navigation menus you have available to you currently. But first, we want to set up a custom link. We do this by clicking on the Custom Links tab at the top. And from this tab, we can click on this Create Link button. Here is the page where we can set up our custom link. In this URL section, we can paste, say for example, a link to a recurring weekly class meeting. Directly from Zoom, we can copy the invite link and paste it within this text box. If we would like to link to something directly within the course, use this Insert Quick Link button right next to the URL. Clicking on it will open up a pop-up that allows you to navigate through the content of your course, either linking to a module or to a piece of content within. For this example, we're going to be going with this Zoom room link, so I'm going to give it an appropriate name. But please note that whatever text you put here is the text that will appear within the navbar. The only other setting I would worry about is this behavior setting. If you're using an outside link, something that links to outside of Brightspace, I would always recommend using it in a new window or tab. However, if you are linking to something within Brightspace, like your syllabus, through this Insert Quick Link, you can change this to open in the same window. Once we are done, we can click Save, and our custom link is created. Now we want to add it to a navbar. We click on this Navbars tab, bringing us back to the page with all of our available navigation menu. These two that you see here are default and will be in every course you are in. These two are uneditable, but what we can do is by clicking this caret next to the active navigation menu, we can click Copy. If we scroll down, we notice that a copy has been made, but this time the title is blue and clickable, meaning it is editable. So if we click on this copy we've created, it will allow us to edit it. What I would first recommend is giving it a title that is more descriptive. Say, for example, the name of your course, so that way it is easy to remember which one is the one you have created. If we scroll down here in this link section, you'll notice that these tiles correspond with the buttons in the navigation menu. The way we add our custom Zoom link to this is by clicking this Add Links button. It will open up a pop-up where we can use this search feature to find the link that we have created just now, the Zoom room. I'm going to check the box next to it and click Add. Notice that it is now at the end of this list, corresponding that when this is active, this will be the last link within the navbar. If we would like to move it up, we can hover over the tile, and where these dots are on the left-hand side, we can click and drag it to where we want in this order. So now, if we save and close, it will be the third option here within the navigation menu. I saved and closed, but note that it is not currently the active navigation menu and thus is not showing here. The way we change it to the active menu is with this drop down. If we click on it, we can find the one we have just created, and then we can click apply. We can see now that the page is refreshed. Chem 101 is set as the active navbar, and we can see here the third option is a link to our Zoom room, opening up in a new tab. Again, to find this tool, you go to Course Admin, and then Navigation and Themes.